the Bluegreen Resort, the Hammocks at Marathon, Florida. How many people do it from 3,000 feet? Place is 3 stories total. It is on the bay side. It's about a mile from the 7 Mile Bridge. Wow, it's really bright. And it's like 4 miles from Colony Key if you want to go to the Atlantic side. Next door, literally part of the property, but it's separate. They have boat rentals, sunset tours, snorkel tours, jet ski rentals. All that is going to be literally right next door. It is the bay. Look at that view. We'll walk down here. Check this out. The views here are great. I mean, this place is literally on the water. You want to snorkel, pleasure, just whatever it is, it's here for you. Or even if you want to come down here and just sit, it's definitely nice. They got, this place is called the Hammocks or Hammock or whatnot. They have hammocks everywhere, obviously. But yeah, look at these views. It's great. Water's not that great right now. Tide change, but yeah, look at this. It's crazy nice. Another marina, they do fishing charters and stuff right here as well. If you want to do a fishing charter, some more hammocks. I mean, just crazy views. So they have on site, they do have this thing called the tiki bar. They have food and they have drinks. It's right behind me and it's right on the pool deck. As you can see, nice pool overall, great place. So one of the cool things I like, and I'm sure other places are doing it, but you know, you usually have to have like a pool band and everything in a key card. Well, now what they have done is they have made it to where you don't have to have both. They made a bracelet with a key card attached, so it's really easy to not lose it and get what you need and not have this, you know, lost at the bottom of the bag. Or oh yeah, the guy just told me when I tried to check out the band thing I was talking about. Actually, if you keep it and you go to other Bluegreen resorts, they can use the same one, so you can use the same handy dandy system. Hey. We had the 1 bedroom this time, so I'm going to do the walk through the 1 bedroom. We are leaving, so it's kind of a mess, but let me show you. It has a full kitchen, bathroom, it sleeps 4 people, 1 king bed, and 1 pull-out sofa. So you walk in, you got a full kitchen. Come down here, you got a full bathroom. It's got good lighting as well. Decent, and then so check out, this is like the best room when it comes to view out of the whole place. Got lucky, you got the pool and stuff over there. You got over here, look at this view, the sunset's out there. It's crazy awesome. So again, the bed has been messed up because we're leaving, but look at that. That's what you wake up to. This is the 1 bedroom. This is the very last unit on the end. Some more great views of the water. Can't beat that. So this is the 1 bedroom. There's studios and 2 bedrooms. I'll try to link the diagrams of the layout on here as well. But studios are 2 bedroom, or hold 2 people. 2 bedrooms fit 6 people. So this is in Marathon, at the end of Marathon, about a mile from the 7 Mile Bridge, like I said. It's very nice. If you're going to do bonus time here, the value's crazy. I think the 1 bedrooms are like $80 a night for bonus time if you have a timeshare. If you have a friend that has access to Bluegreen, they can get it and do a guest certificate. so you can check that out. But it's 3 stories, has pretty good amenities, I would say. It's perfect. It's on the water. So yeah, that's a walkthrough basically of the Hammocks here, Bluegreen in Marathon, Florida. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one with some more video walkthrough tours.